Hello guys, in Laravel Auth registration and login, what if you want to use phone number instead of email and also send one-time password via SMS text message? This was exactly the requirement of a project that I found on Upwork. Here's one of the points: fields, mobile number and password, and forgot password with SMS. So it's not even in addition to email, it's instead of email. And I double checked with other points of that PDF of the original description, and no email involved specifically. Not sure why, maybe it's a regional thing in some countries to use text messages more than email, but it doesn't matter. Let's try to implement it. In this video, I will exactly show you how. And the code repository for this is a new project in project example section of Laravel Daily. This one, Laravel Auth with SMS, OTP, one-time password, no email. So you can browse and see kind of the introduction explanation, but if you want the full explanation and the source code, it's available for premium members of Laravel Daily. But in this video, I hope to explain you the main things that you need to know. First, a quick demonstration. Here's the filled-in form for the registration, and when we click register, we land on this form. So we get the SMS text message with one-time password code. And then if we enter that code, verify phone, we are inside of the dashboard, which is based on Laravel Breeze. And then the login form also works with the phone number after you registered. So basically no email. How does it work in the code? First, for SMS messages, for text messages, we will use a provider called Vonage, which used to be called Nexmo back in the day, which is pretty easy to install in Laravel. You just provide key, secret, and SMS number to send from. And now let's see the structure of Eloquent model. In the user model, you can see fillable and no email here. We have phone, and also down below we have OTP code, which is hidden by default, which will be one-time generated, and also it will have expiration time. Next, in the registered user controller, which is Laravel Breeze Starter Kit, even with Laravel 12, I do like to prepare demos with Laravel Breeze to avoid using any React, Livewire, or Vue to not overcomplicate things for the demos. So store method actually registers the user. And we have phone validation here, and also you can see phone full here because it's a different hidden field. In the register blade, there's X phone blade component, and inside of that, we have the input for the phone, but to show the phone numbers with choosing the country and that format, we have this library, JavaScript library for international telephone number input, you can see, and then the result of that is name phone full hidden field. So in the database, it is saved like this with international format. Next, after we register, we have OTP generated, updating the code, updating expire at for 10 minutes, and then send the notification. And this is where the Vonage provider will be used. This is Laravel notification via driver of Vonage, and then Vonage message, which is basically SMS text. And then after registration, we are redirected to the signed route verification notice. So we added a few routes in the route middleware auth group in the routes auth file in Laravel Breeze, basically replacing email verification by Laravel with the same structure, just phone verification controller with methods like show, verify, and resend. And if we take a look at that controller, we have show with verify phone, the form that you've seen on the screen. Then it submits to verification, and if the verification is successful, then we make those null, verified at, which replaces the email verified at field in the users table, and then redirect to dashboard. Also, there's resend method, which basically repeats the same thing as in registration. Also, we have a separate middleware to ensure that the phone is verified. In the Bootstrap app of Laravel 12, ensure phone is verified, which just redirects to the verification again if it isn't verified. And then in the routes web, we have route middleware auth and verified for dashboard and other functions. And also profile, which is default Laravel Breeze, is also protected with resending the verification if the phone is updated. So here in the update method, you can see that if the phone is changed, then we proceed with the same sending of notification. And there's also similar behavior to change password if you forgot the password with OTP SMS via phone instead of email. What do you think about this whole workflow? Would you have done anything differently? And again, you will find the full source code with full tutorial here on Laravel Daily. We will proceed creating more projects on the section of project examples here on top, and I will keep shooting the summaries of those new projects here on YouTube for free. So if you have any ideas for that section for demo projects, shoot them in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.